Well, hello there, Coffee Time friends. How are y'all doing today? We're popping on live right quick, and I'll tell you why. We did a video last night of preparation of dressing, and I have been about an hour and a half this morning trying to get it to load. For one thing, it was too long, but it takes a while when you're doing dressing. It takes forever, and but for some reason it just won't load. So you may or may not get to see the prep. If you don't, sorry. We'll show you another time. Thanksgiving will be here before long. But we are having Thanksgiving in September, or partial Thanksgiving. I'll show y'all right quick. We're having a turkey breast, some good old mashed potatoes, dressing. Mama made some in the pan and in the muffin tins. We like it both ways. Some good green beans, cranberry sauce, and that is lemon cake with blueberries with buttercream icing, all homemade. Mama did such a good job, didn't you, Mama?
Yeah, and the beans I picked yesterday and broke them up last night.
You can't beat that for freshness.
I know it. And
Where they come up from farm to table.
Yeah.
Well, that is good, ain't it, Mama?
Yeah, sure.
So we'll get our plates ready here. We just wanted to pop on and share this with you. We've been talking about it, and I thought, well, we might as well show them that we did get our Thanksgiving in September done. This is just a little half of what we normally do. Maybe not even half. What do you think, Mama? There's not a casserole on the table, we'll put it that way.
Yeah.
We always do a few casseroles.
We always do bread, coleslaw, deviled eggs.
No bread today because we really have got starch, and we're going to have that cake. It's going to be our bread today. No deviled eggs. This ain't really Thanksgiving. It's basically turkey and dressing because that's what we really wanted was turkey, dressing, mashed potatoes with a little bit of gravy over it. And it is delicious. And these are dressing made in muffin tins. Look at that. And that works out perfectly if you're just fixing for a few, or if you don't want to stand and cut it and all that good stuff. We like to do it this way because it's quick, easy to spray your muffin tin.
And here's your green beans.
Spray your muffin tin and you are good to go. Good old green beans. These are these peanuts?
Yeah, they're peanuts, but they're not being canned. They're just fresh.
Okay, because they look greener than peanuts.
Well, they might not have been cooked hardly long enough, but they're tender and good.
Let me set that over there. Come across. Mama even made some delicious gravy off the drippings of the turkey. We'll put a little of that gravy on there. And a little bit on our dressing. Mama, I'll let you get some gravy. And we like whole berry cranberry sauce right out of the can. We have cooked it before and made it, and it is delicious. We like to do that too, but not today. We might do that for the real Thanksgiving, not just the practice Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
There you go. This cake, I'll go ahead and show you because we ain't going to be on here long enough to show you our dessert. But this cake is just a lemon cake with homemade blueberries put in it. And then she made butter cream icing on it. So that's going to be dessert today for our Southern Sunday lunch.
I told you I put a ton of blueberries, and it looks like it off the ball.
Yeah, it does look good, Mama. So there it is. That's lunch today. Let me tilt you down just a little bit. So that's lunch today. Look at that goodness. Mama, you did an outstanding job.
That's what you asked for.
I know. I've been craving this since last month. I told her I want Thanksgiving in August. We didn't quite hit the mark, but this is first Sunday in September, and we made it, didn't we, Mama?
Oh, yeah. We've got it going.
Y'all ever have Thanksgiving? We call it Thanksgiving. You ever have turkey and dressing and the typical Thanksgiving stuff anytime besides Thanksgiving? If you do, comment below and let us know. So, let's see who else on here. Just say a quick shout out to a few. Hello, James and Cindy and Karen, Leslie. Hello from Ohio.
Oh.
How are you? Mama and I are just sitting here in Northeast Tennessee. It looks stormy here today, and we're supposed to get a few storms. I think that's what they're giving. But that's okay.
I'm going to eat this turkey and mashed potatoes and dressing. Don't know whether the dishes will be done or not, but I'm taking my Sunday nap after all of this.
The dishes will be done, trust me.
Yeah.
Dishes always get done.
But
now, Mama might take that dish while you're still eating off from it. If she's in a hurry to do something else, but it'll get done. I've been eating that last bite before. She said, "You done?" I said, "Well, I guess. Go ahead and take it, Mama."
My husband, he would say, "A man can't even eat without you still in their plate."
Mama's always in a hurry. But anyhow, we wanted to share this with you, and I'll give it one more try to upload that video. It's longer than we thought it was. By the time you mix it up, and we showed you how to make the cornbread and the pone bread, the biscuit bread. We should have done 2 videos, and we will from now on. We're trying to keep our videos a little shorter, but this one's going to be a long one if it ever gets loaded. Sorry, I don't know. I've tried all morning, Mama.
I'll accept Sunday school and church.
Well, I mean, but I tried early this morning, and then I said, I'm going to go ahead and upload that video so when we do the wrap-up, they can see the result. Well, you're seeing the result before the making. So as you're watching the making of it, you say, well, it turned out good. I seen them eating it. So that works out good. But we're going to get off here. We're going to bless this wonderful meal, and we're going to eat it and enjoy it. And you all find you something good to eat today, making some memories. We just thank you all for liking our page, sharing our page. You all have been wonderful. We've got a lot of new people. Seems like this week we've had a lot of people write in and said, I just found you all, or I just located your videos. So if you're just locating it, you can go back and catch up. And we just like to welcome all of you all, welcome all of our regular viewers, and just thank you so much. It means a lot to us, and we appreciate you all watching, liking, and sharing us. And when we say that, we mean it. We mean it from our hearts. And Mama loves to read the comments.
Yeah. I go to sleep some nights of reading.
I get the report of the morning. Mama, did you see those comments? That was so sweet. Or that just made my day. Oh, well, Mama, that was sweet. So, and then sometimes she worries. If y'all got prayer requests or something, she'll say, let's be sure we put that on the prize. I already have, Mama, most of the time. Because I usually go through them too. But y'all pray for us and we'll pray for you. And y'all have a good Sunday.
Yeah.
We might do something later on. I don't know. Mama, you going to do anything later on?
I don't know. I told you I'll probably sleep after.
What is it in Turkey? Tryptophan?
Yeah,
They call it Thanksgiving. It may call it for a nap. It may be a trip to the nap. That's what what it might turn into.
I've got one thing to tell them, or two really. I just wanted to say, the cookbooks, we've ordered another order, and they're not here yet. It'll be a little bit longer. But as soon as they come, I'll start filling the other orders. And if you mailed it last week, the last part of the middle of last week, you may have to wait a few more days, extra days or a week for your cookbooks. But I will get them out as soon as they come in. And then I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Labor's Day and everybody be safe and happy. Yes, ma'am.
Good, Mama. Mama's been working on cookbooks. Some of y'all had asked. Now, we did have a week there where she didn't go to the post office. Our COVID rate has been up, and I didn't go because I was working late. So we got a few days behind. So some of y'all, but you're pretty well caught up now. So
I'm caught up except the ones I picked up Saturday.
Mm-hmm. So the ones we picked up Saturday, and all those won't get filled until we get our order. Our order should be here within 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. So we're in that gap again. Sometimes you get in that gap where we try to order when we get half of them gone. We order for the next time, and then by the time they get here, that other half usually is gone.
Well, that fault is mine. I waited a little later because they had slacked down a little bit, but now they've picked back up, and that throwed me off.
So we just want to always keep them. But anyway, y'all, we will get them to you. Some of y'all have asked. We tried to look them up. But thank you so much. When the church thanks you, we thank you. And it means so much to us. So we're going to get off here and eat while it's hot. We hope, maybe y'all have already eaten because it's 2:30. We ate a little late today. We had a few errands to do. So we did that, and then we come home and put all this together. Mama started early this morning, putting the turkey in the oven. It's just a turkey breast, and she just baked it according to the directions on the bag. Mm-hmm. And we just done mashed potatoes, and you might get to see us do the dressing if I can get that video to upload. And that will be that's all we did. So it was already ready, and she panned it up this morning and ready to go. Mm-hmm. And the green beans, so that was it. So it's not a big Thanksgiving dinner today, but it's all of our favorites: mashed potatoes and dressing, gravy, cranberry sauce, and a few green beans. So we're going to go and bless it and eat it, and you all have a great Sunday. Make some memories and spend some time with your family. And if these storms come through East Tennessee here, y'all be careful out there, okay? So we're going to say goodbye for now, and y'all have a great day and make some memories. Say
goodbye, Mama. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.